by then, but we could take anything to help cool us down.
A little bit of a difference.
Yes, and it might be in the form of some rain chances. That's expected for us this weekend, Sarah. We're going to keep our fingers crossed that we get some break in the heat. Let me give you the setup on what's to come as we start your Friday. Some of you getting started with that weekend tomorrow. Cold front is on the way. This is going to bring rain chances, but we're not looking at a washout of a weekend. But there's the front that's going to move through some strong to severe storms moving through portions of Kansas and near Missouri for tonight. That storm complex now moving south and southeast. So not only that, but we are also having to keep an eye on Fred. Now, it does not look like Fred's path is going to change much at all. Impact to the Texas Gulf Coast region is almost at zero because of that cold front that's going to move in. But if you're making a trip to the deep south, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, even as far west as Mississippi, there's going to be some impacts there. Some heavier rain is expected to pick up. Here's what we know with Fred right now is it is a tropical depression. We've had some land interaction here, and that's keeping this storm rather weak at this time, moving west-northwest at 10 miles an hour. As we go through the next 24 to 36 hours, it'll begin to re-strengthen back to at least a small tropical storm, but getting a little bit more moderate as we get into Sunday. Primary concern here is just going to be some very heavy rain and gusty winds. But the water temperatures as you get into the Gulf of Mexico in the lower to the mid 80s, even some upper 80s. So that could allow the storm to strengthen a bit more. The overall concern, though, is how the storm structure is going to be. Looks like probably a high-end tropical storm cannot be ruled out. The heat has been our story, and the structure that we've had with weather for the last couple of days. Lower to mid 90s, had a couple of heavier storms in deep East Texas, Angelina County near Diboll and Burke. Radar estimates today close to about 2.5 inches. For tomorrow, we're going to see a mixture of clouds and sunshine in the afternoon. We start with that mostly cloudy sky, warmer, very humid for tomorrow, and a high of about 94 degrees. The rain chance tomorrow is very isolated, but it is in the forecast, just something to keep in mind. But you will want to have our East Texas storm team map as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances will begin to pick up. I want to show you that here on Futurecast. This is a look at Friday. Futurecast doesn't show much. I think the rain chance is rather isolated on Friday. First chance may come Saturday morning for some showers and storms, and then Saturday afternoon, these storms moving in from the northeast coming to the southwest. That'll give us a good chance of rain and then more precipitation into the day on Sunday. And while not all of us will see this rainfall, we'll all see cloud cover and hopefully a drop in the temperatures. We'll gradually come down to the lower 90s and the upper 80s for us this weekend into next week. But by late next week, we look to heat right back up on our way to the mid 90s. Deep East Texas, maybe a stray shower tomorrow, but rain chances, Sarah, are going to go up starting Saturday and especially Sunday into Monday.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Marcus.